at Sensoji again, kind of like a repeat strip of last trip, but it's very busy. It's a lot busier than last time, and just looking for some souvenirs before we go to Nismo factory, which will be really fun. God, I didn't realise my hair was this bad today. So, we are now on a mission. I've spent about an hour on the train from Sensoji, and we are going to the Nismo Omori factory. Very excited. I may not look it because I'm very tired, but I'm trying to show you what it's like if you don't have a car and you're not driving to the Nismo factory. It's kind of near Kawasaki. It's only like 2 trains, so it's not too bad, but it's then a 20-minute walk, which is fine because that means that you get to actually see the real Japan instead of just being sat on trains watching things go past, people rushing on, getting crammed, feeling sardine. So it's just a little bit of a walk, which I think is quite nice, in a different area that you wouldn't really normally typically see in Tokyo. We're not even in Tokyo technically, like Tokyo City, then in Kawasaki, which is like south, in between like Yokohama, well basically Yokohama now, but Yokohama, Kawasaki, that kind of area is south of Tokyo, so it's a little bit less populated. I say less busy, but you can hear trucks. It may not look like it, but whenever you go to Daikoku, because Daikoku is literally just down this road, like up the ramp, over there on an island on its own. Yuki and I have actually been driving around this area. Like, this is one of the roads that you drive on and around, and last night when we went to Daikoku we passed Nismo, but I didn't film it, so it's literally just up here past these bridges. So it's not too far, it's not too complicated, it's quite straightforward really if you want to go visit Nismo Omori. But yeah, it looks really far and it sounds really far, but in the grand scheme of things it's not too bad, especially if like your whole goal of coming to Japan is to do this car stuff. It's not actually that bad. Just dedicate like 1, maybe 2 things a day and allow for like some extra time of like getting a bit lost or trying to find a platform. That's what's just happened to me, is I was walking trying to find the next platform. Turns out Google Maps isn't exactly always the most accurate, and it was the same platform I was already on, so then I missed that one and had to wait 10-15 minutes. So it's small things like that where it can really get you delayed. If you've got like a plan and then you're going to go to get some food. That was really hot. Yeah, so it's not all that bad. Plan maybe 2 things a day. Like, those 2 things could be go to Nismo Omori, rent a car if you want to do that, and then make sure that when you do that you also go to Daikoku, because going to Daikoku without a car is probably the worst thing that you could do because you will get stranded, and unless someone is kind enough to drop you back, then you are not getting back. Anyway, that's enough of me talking. I'm going to do this walk so you don't have to watch 20 minutes of me waffling on talking about stuff which maybe would help you, but I'll see you at the Nismo Omori factory. I don't know how I just caught that. I was just like looking down, walking, listening to my music. I was like, that sounds really nice. What is that? Look up and there's just casual R32 coming from the direction of Omori factory. So I wonder whether it's been to Daikoku, wonder whether it's been to Omori factory. Either way, really cool. so cool. No. It's on the new 40th anniversary Nismo LMGT4s. Wow, that's amazing. It's got the Nismo seat. This must be a demo. I need these. Has it got the Nismo exhaust as well? Oh, it's got the Nismo exhaust. This is really cool. Wow. And you've got all the trophies. You've got this, which is sick. What's really cool is you can come and get your car like restored here, or like worked on, refreshed. I think it's like a factory refresh. And in here, I don't know if I'm allowed to film. I'll try and sneak a clip or two. But they got like R32s. They've got R33s in like that really nice metallic, like grey colour. Same with like this R32. It's like insane. Then you've got like Nismo 350Zs. And I can see that there's an R34, looks like it's a GTR, getting a full refresh in yellow. Right here, I'm not too sure on the spec of what it is, but it looks insane. And you've got this R32, you've got the 350Z Nismo, and then look at this R33 over here. I mean, this R32 in this colour, insane, never see that. Is this a... I can't tell if this is... I think it's an LM. Is it? You guys in the comments tell me what this is, because it kind of looks like it's an LM or like a 400R, but I can't tell. Looks insane. And then boom. This is a really nice colour, but it feels really rare. Don't see too many in this spec. We've also got some of the engines. Full Omori factory spec. You've got the R4, the S2. I can only imagine how much these cost. I don't even want to think about that. No. Literally anything that you need or want. This is insane. Even got just casual LMGT4s. Oh my god. We've even got the titanium shift knob that I want. Oh my god. So, that was the Omori factory. I don't know how much I showed you or not, but it's really cool. I didn't buy too much. It was very easy to get carried away in there, but I just thought I don't want to spend too much money. I needed to get one thing, and that was a bag to bring more stuff back home. So I bought myself a Nismo backpack and a sticker because I got the Nismo body kit on the S.15. So I thought I could put a Nismo sticker on the car officially once it's painted. And where better place to get it from than the Nismo Omori factory. So that's the reason. Why is there an electric charger at the Nismo? Okay, I'm going to try and get a photo in front of the Nismo sign real quick, and then we go, because it's hot and it's disgusting today. It's absolutely foul. I don't know where I'm going to get a picture from. So obviously it's not like the most exciting thing that I've brought in this trip. I went to Nismo Omori factory and bought a backpack, but killing two birds with one stone, you know, being practical, because I needed a bag to bring home all of my souvenirs because I put half of the exhaust in my suitcase, so I've got no room, and the suitcase limit is 23 kilos, and with everything in it weighs 24. So what better souvenir from the Nismo factory than a backpack, which is practical. I'm pretty sure it cost more than what they said it did on there. I don't know, but it's all good. We got a souvenir. We'll go back at some point when they got some more stuff, which say we can afford. It's more aimed obviously towards GTRs. We don't have a GTR. I was looking at one of the carbon mirror covers for the R34 because sometimes a lot of the stuff from the S15 and the R34, they're like interchangeable. Like a lot of it is very, very similar. Like the door cards are very similar. They use, well, I think they use the same like handles, and some of the links and some of the chassis is quite similar. So some of it you can like interchange and like it still fits. So I was wondering whether or not that would still work, but I didn't ask. It was carbon fiber as well. And it was like it wasn't 200, it was like 150 pounds. And I thought just for something I'm not even gonna see, you'll see from the outside of the car, I don't think it's worth it. Plus I got my own Omori hanging there. So, who knows? Maybe in the future, we'll come back and we'll do like a little haul at Nismo. If you guys would like to see that, all you need to do is subscribe, like this video if you haven't already, and just comment something that you'd like me to do, like to see on this channel while we're still in Japan, and what to do when we come back. Oh, there's a bike coming, so I'm gonna I hope I don't get run over. It's really cool, because a little surprise, if you've made it this far in the video, I'll tell you what we're doing in January. You could probably guess if you know what usually happens in January in Japan. But we're going to Tokyo Auto Salon. Now I'm really excited for that. Yuki is probably, well, he is going to be there. He's going to be working on Max's booth. So we're always going to go say hi to Yuki whenever we're in Japan. Maybe we get to say hi to Max again. Maybe meet Maya, who knows? Maybe meet Smokey Nagata. The world is your oyster when you're at Tokyo Auto Salon. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be very, very exciting. I cannot wait for Tokyo Auto Salon. And I feel like this trip has been like a little bit of like a taster, like do all the car stuff, do like all the, not stereotypical, but like bucket list things I've been trying to do this trip within reach, within reason. But also next time I would like to, they were laughing at me because I let them go and I'm filming. I was like,
On top of the dumplings?
however you want it. I want to go there. What do you mean only? Well, that's it. We're back from Japan. And I'm really sad, but don't say that too loud. But the exhaust has landed. Just got to check the condition of it, but we're back. I'm really sad, but happy as well.